Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure FreshBooks for dropshipping accounting, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure FreshBooks for dropshipping accounting, start by signing into your FreshBooks account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section. In the Settings menu, select Business Profile. Fill in your business details, including your business name, address, and contact information. Next, move to the Taxes section. Ensure that your tax settings align with your business location and requirements. Set your preferred tax rates if they differ from the default rates. Now, head over to the Invoices section. Customize your invoice template to include any necessary information for your dropshipping business. Add your business logo and adjust the color scheme to match your brand. After customizing invoices, navigate to the Expenses section. Record any costs associated with dropshipping, such as product purchases and shipping fees. You can add these as bills to track what you owe suppliers. Next, set up your products or services in the Products section. Create entries for each item you dropship, including a clear description and price. Use the SKU field to track inventory effectively. Once your products are set up, move to the Projects feature. Create a project for each dropshipping client or store you manage. Assign the relevant products to each project for better organization. After organizing your products and projects, integrate your payment gateways. Head to the Payments section to connect services like PayPal or Stripe. This will streamline your payment processes and keep everything in one place. Next, consider utilizing FreshBooks reporting features. Access the Reports section to gain insights into your income and expenses. Generate sales reports to see how your dropshipping business performs over time. Finally, regularly update your records to keep your accounting accurate. Log transactions and expenses as they occur to avoid any backlog. With these steps, you'll have FreshBooks configured for your dropshipping accounting needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.